In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build your own AI tools in Relevance AI, a comprehensive guide for 2025. So whether you're new to AI or just looking to expand your skill set, you're definitely in the right place. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first need to visit the Relevance AI website. Once you're there, look for an option to log in. If you have an account, that's great. Go ahead and click on the login button. You're prompted to enter your email address, so type it in carefully. Once your email is entered, click on the continue button. Next, you'll be asked to provide your password to ensure the security of your account. So enter your password and continue. When you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, your control center for building AI tools with ease. Now, you're on the dashboard, you'll want to locate the tools section. Clicking on tools will direct you to where you can do most of your creative work. Look for a button that says plus new tool. This is your gateway to starting fresh. When you click on it, you'll be given a couple of options for how you want to begin your building process. You can choose to build with Invent if you're feeling creative and have a particular idea in mind. Alternatively, if you're looking for a little guidance, Relevance AI also offers starting points that can help plan your tool from scratch. If you prefer the foundation approach, crafting your tool from scratch is equally viable, offering a clean slate for all your ideas. The next step is to configure your tool settings. Now this part is crucial as it sets the direction for your tool. You'll need to decide on a tool name, something like AI Data Analyzer 2025. Then write a short description to summarize your tool's purpose. Lastly, select a suitable AI model that aligns with your goals. This selection will impact how your tool functions and performs. After setting up, move on to designing workflows. Head over to the Workflow Builder. Here you'll add steps that encompass input, processing, and the output stages. This section allows you to combine models, prompts, and necessary data pipelines to ensure a smooth operation of your AI tool. Don't forget to add prompts and rules. This feature is a fantastic way to customize how your tool responds in different situations. Use structured prompts and include any necessary logic and conditions. This addition will help tailor your AI tool to be more responsive and intelligent in processing data. Finally, it's time to test your tool. Click on Run Tool and enter some test queries. This testing phase is essential to ensure everything is functioning as intended. Review the outputs carefully and make necessary adjustments if something doesn't seem right. Testing and retesting at this stage can make all the difference in your tool's performance. And there you have it. A complete walkthrough on building your own AI tools using Relevance AI. I hope you found this guide helpful. Good luck and happy building!